Yo, what is up, guys? Today I want to do a quick little recap of today. Today was, in general, uh, a decent trading day, but also not a good trading day. Um, so let's just get in the mistakes that I made today. Today I was not focused at all. I was impatient. I didn't have any clarity of about the setups or what I wanted to see. Really, I know my setup. I know what I'm looking for, and when I should be taking it and why. I mean, not why, but like I know when I should be taking it. So I'm gonna give you guys my run out of the day. So first, I saw this on 10 a.m. Yeah, I saw this Asian high get ran. My strategy is false breakout, so I just look at liquidity points. The main thing in my strategy is that I want to trade during New York Open, and the times that I allow myself to be trading for my times of UTC plus one is from 15:30, oh, 15:30, 30, aka New York Open till 17 till 5. This is usually the time that I actually want to be trading and be looking for my setup mostly. But what ended up happening is that I wanted to take this trade. I couldn't take it at this high. What I do, I just take it at a lower price, get a bad fill, get a worse fill, and eventually just think like, what am I doing? Why am I taking this trade? This is not my setup. And eventually I decided to break even really fast. It hits my break even, plays out, and I'm like pissed. That already sets the day in a bad manner. And I'm like, okay, uh, I'm gonna look for the next trade. All of them trades are not. Actually, this one was somewhat valid because it was my setup, but was not inside of the trading time zone that I just marked out. This 17, which is sucks because this kind of fucked up my day already. Then coming into the day, NFP already know a lot of volatility. I see. I want to see price take out the lows first on both NQ and US 30. I want to see take them both out the previous day lows first, and I was kind of more bearish than bullish for the open, for like the first 30 minutes of the open, and I want to see maybe some bullish price action after taking the lows. That's what I was mainly looking for the day. So eventually we come in the day, NFP hits, we get a massive pump up. So I'm thinking, okay, we might go back up. So I'm just going in buys, and I'm thinking, and the buys don't even make sense because that's not even my setup. And I'm like, wait, what am I doing? And like that happens all through the whole day. I end up minus 90 on my live account on the first minus 9. Okay, I'm not gonna draw that. My handwriting is actually really bad. Minus 90 on like in the first couple, not even before this, all before the trading session, even my trading session where I wanted to be trading in, even happens. Eventually, I make that minus 90 back all the way up to plus 80 because I actually take the good trades then, somewhat good trades. So what end up happening is on my funded account, which I passed, luckily, which I passed. My first ever funded account that I passed. This is the me passing it, but on the funded account I did take a good trade. I'm up 470. I'm pretty sure I took 3 trades where 2 are valid and one is just, I don't know, one is just a random trade that wasn't really. I mean, the one is not my setup that I have back tested. I have tested this and stuff, but that one setup is someone that I have seen in the market playing out, and the dude that taught me and teach me the setup that I'm trading right now is also been using it a little bit. So I was just keeping a mind into it, and I saw it happen also this week, and it played out. So I was just thinking, okay, I'll just do that with a small lot size and just see what can happen. I took that break even, not break even. I got out earlier for like 100 plus, for 100 something on this account. Eventually, my main setup comes is that this. I eventually take this setup. I think I took this setup. I'm not sure which setup I took, but I took something in the lines of this, because this is actually my strategies itself. We have to be looking at these 3 candles right here. these three candles right here. So in the time period of these three right here is where I took the trade. I saw this candle, we ran the previous day lows, and this like I think weekly low might be the weekly low. Yeah, the weekly low of the previous, I mean the previous week. No, not previous week, but like the low that was made this week, the lowest low of this week. We both ran it with market open. I'm pretty sure market open came. We both ran it. So I'm like, okay, that's my setup. I want to see previous day low and maybe prominent other lows get ran and get pushed back up, which we got, and we targeted 1 to 4 with a 50 pip stop loss. I think 50 point stop loss, and that's basically how I trade. So yeah, this was a valid setup. What ended up happening in the day is that I'm still greedy. I don't know why I'm still greedy. I know I suddenly take all kinds of trades that don't even make sense. Them trades don't even make sense. I don't know why I did that, but I didn't take it on my live account, on my funded account. I just be taking it on my live account. So eventually I go from minus 80 back to plus 80, and I'm now down back to minus 160. Or let me check how much I'm down actually for the day. Was for the day. Actually, I don't think I can see it anymore, but wait, I'm like, if I can find it, I'll. So I end up being down. Yeah, around 160 for the day, which kind of sucks because I was up 80, and I just go down a lot, which happened because I was over trading. I started taking losses, then I started upping my lot size, which also is like a big mistake, and it all causes me to lose and lose and lose. So what I can get out of this is that I'm still not really where I really want to be, where I want to be with my trading. I mean, I did pass the funded. I'm still good on track with my funded, but this really took a toll on my mental and my psychology of my trading. I'm really getting more like uncertain. I'm feeling more uncertain, not even about my strategy, but like myself. That I can't even control myself about whether I want to take this trade, or that I'm feeling that I feel more like fear than I'm losing. Also, like because of that fear, I'm also losing my trust in my setup, and I'm scared to take the trades that actually like are my setups, because I already lost these trades, and what if I lose this one more? That really plays into my mind now. So, and I'm not sure on how I can fix this issue. How can I really fix this issue? Because I do understand that I only can trade my setup, but in cases like this, when I actually see my setup, and I'm feeling like, okay, this maybe plays out, but it's not in my time, which is kind of also a different point, which is like iffy. And I think a solution that I could be using, I should probably be implementing in my trading, is that I should really only be trading this time frame, these two. I mean, this time till that time. And if I don't find a trade in that, then I don't take a trade that day. That's really what I think I should be doing. That's also what I've been doing in my backtesting. My backtesting looks great, because if I look at my backtesting data, I find it unbelievably high. But I mean, it's not like a lot of trades, but we have taken 128 trades, and we got a 54% win rate. And although, wait, if I can find this, if I can show the analytics, strategy analytics. Boom, boom, boom. This starts loading. But although the percentage is high, I still like follow my strategy really well on backtesting. And I get really good results on backtesting. And I'm not complaining that my setup doesn't occur, because in this past week I've had really good trades for my setup in general, and that actually played out. So maybe I can find an example of about yesterday. Okay, yesterday we didn't really have, I think. No, yesterday we had this previous day low. Previous day low gets ran, we push back up, and we get I took this trade actually, and that's a pretty good trade. So my setup works, but it's just me. I'm the problem. I'm the problem, because why? I'm the problem because I'm not getting to more profit, to getting to profitability. The setup works. I just have to be more disciplined, patient, and not greedy at all. I can't be over leveraging. I can't be over risking. I can't be over trading, and I just need to be in control of what I'm doing, which I realize. Because this minus 60 on this day is actually was really unnecessary. It was really, really unnecessary. It was all outside my trading zone, and I'm feeling like I just want that dopamine rush or something. Something is wrong with me, and I have to figure that out. If I don't figure that out, I won't be like where I want to be as a trader. And I'm feeling like if I don't take action and fix those problems in life and get this like issue sorted out, I will probably be losing this fund pretty soon if I don't really get disciplined and just take that one or two trades within this time frame and just be looking for my setup within these time frames. And if I just be doing that, I'll feel like that I'll be a better trader than what I'm doing right now. Although I'm kind of making profits, but those are like the half of them are maybe my setups, but the other half is like all just dopamine. It's all just going for dopamine, which is kind of bad. So coming back to today's videos is the recap I wanted to want to make of the trade I took today. That aside, I want to just like say that I have to focus on myself, on that I have to focus a couple issues. My goals for next week that I want to fix, which I will write down next on my journal, on my Notion, which I will write down in a second, is that I be more disciplined. I want to take like trades only within this time frame. Only this time frame. If I don't take the trades in this time frame, I really have to reconsider what I'm doing. I'm not gonna take any signals. I'm not gonna take anything else. Just Nasdaq and Dow Jones US 30 is just what I'm gonna be looking at this time frame. If I don't look within these time frames at those times, I really have to be considering what I'm really doing with my trading, because I'm at that point just gambling. At that point, I'm just gambling, praying for the best outcome to happen to me. This week, I want to make videos on every single trading day, but I didn't really record anything. But I'll try to do that next week as well. But I'm gonna just give the trade recap of today's trade I took. I took today's trade. Let me see if I can make this. Let me see if I can make this just one screen big, and then take MYM this. Yeah. So today's trade was pretty clean. I like the trade really a lot. So waking up today, I mark up my key levels. That's this previous day low right here and this previous day high right there. Looking at the market, I decide my bias really simple. I just look at the previous 2 days. Are the previous 2 days bearish? Then I'm bearish for the day. Are the previous 2 days bullish? Then I'm bullish for the day. Are they bearish and bullish? I'm just considering both can be happening at the day. So that's basically how I decide my bias. Although today I was more tending towards bullish price action because we was ending the day. It's Friday. We are ending the week, and we was already really down on the bearish week. Really bearish on the week. And I didn't really want to see price action. I mean, I didn't really want to see price go more and more down, because if we look at NQ, we already broke the, like, you could say, psychological level of 20K, and I was thinking price will probably close above this week and maybe go down the next week. So I wanted to see more price bullish action, but I was just considering both at that point. Both could have happened in my eyes. So coming in today, we also had this low that I marked out. I even marked out on this day and that day, but we came close, but never took it on that day. So I was just looking at these lows because I wanted to see news take these lows and then push back up. That's what I really want to see happening on today. So I'm waiting. Maybe I can go to lower time. I don't trade the lower time frame. I only trade the 1 hour, but just to make it more clear for you guys, because I'm kind of going back in the day. So this is when news hits. We get a massive pump. We sell off, go back down and down and down. Eventually, market opens about here. I'm already at the level about where I want to be. I see, okay, we might get a push back up, so I'm just going into this trade. We're kind of getting some rejection, pushing back into it, and we go back up. I have a fixed stop loss of 50 points, and I target an RR of 4 when my bias is not like countering my bias, but I'm neutral, so I have to target a RR of 4, which we eventually hit. I took a position of two mini contracts, so yeah, two micro contracts, ending me up with like, I think I didn't take it like at 1 to 4, but I took it like around 1 to 3 or somewhere around the lines of that. But yeah, got like 400 euros or 300 euros from that trade, and then I took another trade which I don't remember exactly, but yeah, this is like the main trade I should have taken today, which is this right here. We take the low, come back up and push up. That's the false breakout that happened today, and I was able to catch and see happening. So if I get my stats out for the day, from the futures, I don't think it has loaded yet. Oh no, it has loaded. So we have this profit on the day. We need to make quite a bit. So we still have to make 4 more days of 100 profit before I can take a payout. And when this comes, I'll be showing this calendar if this will be able to see. But I really have to be focusing on my psychology of trading, and my over leveraging, over trading, and over risking is really a point I have to be focusing on, and just trading without outside of my trading session. So that's basically it for today. Just a small, like, I wouldn't call this a trade recap really. I was just kind of like a yap session about what I'm doing really wrong in the market and what I should really be focusing on in the market. But yeah, that's basically this video. I'll be probably posting this online, taking trading a bit more serious, because I'm past my first funded, and I just want to get better at trading in general, and maybe I'll get my first payout this month. But that's really optimistic and like far-fetched in my opinion, but I'll see where I get, and maybe I'll be able to get it. But I really have to focus not on the payout, but really on honing and perfecting my trading ability and fixing the problems that I have, which is over risking, over leveraging, over trading, and just trading without like just getting a dopamine rush. That's probably the issue that I have. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. If you watch this, this is gonna be quite a journey for me. If I can be able to actually get to profitability, because I'm not profitable at all right now, and I really want to get to profitability, and I'm putting in the hours, but it's just me that's holding myself back. It's really me that's holding myself back. But okay, that's enough yet for the day, guys. See you guys next week. I'll probably be posting my weekly outlook for the next week, which I really don't know what's gonna happen next week. I really don't know. But yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching, and yeah.